Ampcus Cyber Daily News Bulletin. Let's dive into the cybersecurity headlines of the day. Chinese-linked LightSpy iOS spyware targets South Asian iPhone users. Hackers deploy Python backdoor in Palo Alto zero-day attack. Cybercriminal campaign spreads Infostealers, highlighting risks to Web3 gaming. CISA adds multiple D-Link NAS device bugs to its known exploited vulnerabilities catalog. Popular Rust crate liblzma-sys compromised with XZ Utils Backdoor Files. Iranian MuddyWater hackers adopt new C2 tool, Darkbeat C2, in latest campaign. Your security is our priority. Stay informed, stay safe, stay with us. Ampcus Cyber, your go-to source for the latest cybersecurity news across the globe.